I mean, I don't want to have to cover up her tattoos just to be with you, so.
And now she's someone that's your type?
She's beautiful.
Okay, thank you.
Picture this. 1 second, it's all big smiles and hopes. Next second, pop, the drama. We'll go from big laughs to real talk in a heartbeat. Let's get to it.
Right, let's bring out our next single guy.
5 ladies left. Wow.
Welcome in. What's your name?
Okay. I don't want to be too judgmental, but we back to the tennis shoes, ladies. The black jeans with the tennis shoes and the golf shirt. He looks like he's worked out. Look at those big swelled arms. He's got his beard on. He's nice and clean. He's not looking at anyone, but got a feeling unless he says something stupid, because we only got like 4 minutes left in this episode. So unless this guy says something stupid, he's walking away with love really, really quick. Is he going to pop all the balloons? I'm wondering what is about to happen. What else can we learn about him?
My name is Amir.
Amir, how old are you?
I'm 29.
And where are you from?
I'm from Niagara Falls, but I live in Charlotte now.
Okay, nice. What do you do?
So I run a youth athletic program for kids from all the way to elementary, all the way to college.
Oh, nice. Okay. And what are some things you do for fun?
So for fun, I'm an activity guy. So any activity, indoor, outdoor. I like hiking. I like cooking, etc.
Okay.
This is a very relaxed man. He doesn't live in stress. He lives in a world of peace. And then he comes on this show.
And what are you looking for in a woman?
A woman, just someone that can be themselves. A God-fearing woman, but someone that's self-aware, that know themselves as well.
Okay. And now what are some of your deal breakers?
Chest tattoos, neck tattoo, hands, hand tattoos. So any like tattoo, cigarettes, can't do those. And also,
Wow.
That's it.
Okay.
Basically it.
All right. Sounds good. So we did get some pop balloons. Let's head on over there, see why they ended up popping. Your name and age, and why did you end up popping your balloon?
I'm Talia, I'm 27, and I popped because I have tattoos.
Oh, okay. I mean, I
They're
think
hitting.
neck or chest tattoos.
You had a lot on that list.
Oh, I get it.
Your name and age, and why did you end up popping your balloon?
Hi, I'm Sabrina. I'm 28, and I also popped because of the tattoos.
So her tattoos. That's
I mean, her tattoo fine.
okay.
It's
Not on your chest.
So where I say it because I work with kids, so it's presentable. So if you got the neck tattoo, hand tattoo, chest, and they big, it's like it won't
Yeah.
fit my purpose.
I mean, I don't want to have to cover up my tattoos just to be with you, so.
Oh
I
my
wouldn't-
gosh.
Okay.
Yeah.
They all popped.
And now she's someone that's your type.
She's beautiful.
Okay, thank you.
Sit on over here.
I think I know why they popped, because this guy was not clear. He gave an irrational answer. He should have said, well, I work with kids and the neck tattoos and all that across the chest. It doesn't work. And then he said, oh, and her tattoos are fine. Really? You're inconsistent. I mean, you're a nice guy. You created drama. He just walked out here and created drama. No wonder this episode was 4 minutes. It's almost over.
Name and age, and why did you end up popping your balloon?
I'm Shiva, I'm 28, and I popped my balloon because of the tattoos.
As well.
Tattoos getting everybody.
Tattoos, hand tattoos. Yeah.
Okay. And is she someone that's your type?
She's very beautiful.
Thank you. I think
problem.
you're handsome.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Let's go this way. Your name and age, and why did you end up popping your balloon?
My name is Raven. I'm 30 years old. I popped just 'cause it's a little bit too short for me, even though I'm short too.
Come here.
A little.
We went back to that. She skipped over tattoos and went to like, you're just too short.
little
Unbelievable.
bit too short.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. And how tall are you?
5.
2,
Okay. And how tall are you?
5'9".
5, yeah.
All right. So is she someone that's your type?
Yeah, she's very beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you. Head on this way. Your name and age, and why did you end up popping your balloon?
I'm Camry. I'm 29. You say you were 5'9". I'm 5'9", and you have on shoes, so I know without my heels, you're not 5'9". You handsome though, and we have a lot of similarities. It's just the height. Very handsome.
And is she someone
Wow.
that's your type?
Yeah, she presentable. She cute.
Thank you. All right. Well, unfortunately, that's all the balloons popped. But thank
Appreciate
you
it.
so much for coming on. I'll take the mic.
There you go.
Let's make some noise for him, ladies.
Yeah. Okay, this guy failed from the beginning. In his explanation of what he didn't like, his deal breaker, he mentioned tattoos. That is something you should never mention. Listen as a dating tip. It's almost like 90% of the world has tattoos. It's just a cultural thing. In every culture, people are doing it. I do not like tattoos. I don't have tattoos. But if I meet a woman and she has tattoos and it's not all over her neck and all public with a sleeve, I could care less. I really could, because I'm more interested in the quality of the person. He wasn't interested in the quality of the person. He was just thinking about his job. His job is obviously everything. So he's like, I work with kids. I can't have this and that. Come on. Subliminally, these women already checked out as soon as he said that, and they did. Anyway, we're going to keep it short because it is a short episode. If you like this episode, share with a friend, a family member, or even a stranger. If you have comments that you want to share, I want to read your comments. I know y'all got comments on this, especially with the tattoo issue. What are your feelings on tattoos? Like I said, I don't like them, but you might like them. But I'm not going to use that to discriminate from dating somebody, because people come from different backgrounds. They did things when they were younger and they've made different decisions, and it's really expensive taking those things off. So I'm a little open-minded on that, but I don't want to be in a relationship and somebody gets a tattoo. That's a no-no for me. So it's a non-starter. You got to pay attention to the details. All right. So definitely take a look at our page. Pay attention to our other videos. We have over 1,000 videos dealing on the subject of relationship. We have hundreds of videos on Pop the Balloon or Find Love. Go get a drink. Watch another one. We'll see you in the next one. And as always, remember this.